Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use trend lines with breaks on LuxAlgo. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are right here on luxalgo.com and then we click right here on library. Then from here we search here for indicators and there we search for trend lines. Then you will get right here a list with a lot of trend lines, so you can decide which one you want to use, but we want to use the breaks. So we scroll down and click right here on trend lines with breaks. So we click on it and then right now you see right here an example of the trend lines with breaks. And if you scroll down, you will see here a massive explanation about how it works. Right here, how you can configure the indicator. But right now, if you scroll up, you see right here that we have 4 options to use right here, the trend lines with breaks. So you can click right here if you want to use on TradingView, NinjaTrader, MetaTrader 4 or 5, and Thinkorswim. But for today, I will show an example with TradingView. So if you go right here to TradingView, you see exactly right here what you need to do to set up the instructions or how to get right here the trend lines with breaks. So make sure that you do this, and then after that first step, click here on get access, and then he will send us right here to this page. Then if we scroll down, we can click right here on use on chart. So we click right here on use on chart, and then he sent us right here to the chart with the trend lines. Now, I also have right here the no gaps candle, so I can delete it right here. And then you see right here that we are seeing the trend lines. But when I removed it right there, you see that we can see the candles. So I want it back. And right now, if you can see, we are having right here the trend lines with breaks. Also make sure that you logged in to your TradingView account, otherwise you can use it. But this is how you can use the trend lines with breaks on LuxAlgo. You can also do this for NinjaTrader, MetaTrader 4 or 5. And if you want to do that, it works, I think, almost the same. But hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.